This is the perfect lake house with everything one needs. Main level 2-car oversized garage. Walk-in drop room for shoes, coats and ect. Laundry located on main just off of garage. Leading into the dining area and large kitchen with wonderful windows with a great view to the lake, open island in the middle of the kitchen and for all you chefs gas cooktop in kitchen. Open area the large great room adorned with propane gas fireplace with space for large TV above. Entry area which has stairway with landing that leads to the basement. Just off the great room a half bath for your guests. Main level master, and large master bathroom with soaking tub. With French doors leading to deck. Then located on the deck a wonderful screened-in porch for relaxing with coffee or your nighttime cocktails and a sprial staircase leading to lower level patio area. The lower level is finished with family recreation room, nice big open area. Including 2 more bedrooms and a full bath. Also lower level garage. The best part is a true storm shelter. The garage above on the main is free span concrete storm shelter below garage with overabundance of storage, which is truly great. New build kitchen has 9 ceiling 11 in great room. What a wonderful lakefront property, single well covered boat dock refurbished. Located in what we call 3 Tubes Cove. The concrete as follows: 20 by 30 concrete pad in front of garage, rest of driveway will be rocked.